Good morning, children. How are all of you? You had a good weekend? Okay. Now this is the first class for the year, and from today onwards, all the subjects, whatever subjects have been taken by the teachers, you all got to go and learn at home. Those who are sitting at home, learn regularly. The same way those who are coming here also should learn your lessons properly. Did you hear? Okay. Now we are going to begin with lesson 1. The heading of the lesson is Silver Anglet. Silver Anglet. There are different kinds of metals. What are the different kinds of metals you know? No. I am asking you about the metals, not about the ornaments. What are the different kinds of metals you know? Gold, yes. Silver, iron, steel. All these are different kinds of metals. Aluminium. All these are different kinds of metals. Okay. Now, how many different kinds of ornaments? What are ornaments? The ornaments what we use to wear on the neck, on the hand, on the ankle, then ears, nose. All these are known as ornaments. What are the names you know? What are the names of the ornaments you know? Necklace, chain, yes, bangles, okay, earrings, anklets. Where do you wear anklets? Which part of your body you wear anklets? On the ankle. On the ankle. That is bracelet which you wear on your wrist is called the bracelet. It's not the anklet. Ankle means here the leg where the down portion of your leg where the foot is joined. That is called the ankle. And the ornament what you wear on the ankle is called the anklets. Now about what kind of anklets we are talking about? Silver. That's a kind of metal, silver. It's a very shiny metal, and even you can wash that metal. Even gold also can be washed, and when it becomes dirty you wash it. So it's about a silver anklet. A man comes around shouting out, selling things. He was coming around each houses and he was shouting out because he was selling. What was he selling? Do you know any idea? Did you read that? Yes. What was he selling? Toys. He was selling toys. So when he shouted out, there were 2 little girls in that house. 2 girls were there. And one girl comes out. One girl or 2 girls?
2 girls.
Yeah. Both comes out? Is it? Did you read the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So both the girls come out? Yeah. And what did they see? What did they see? Yes, a seller, a person who is coming around to sell the toys. He saw the man, and then what happens after that? Yeah, the toy seller, they buy a toy, isn't it? They buy a toy, and the younger girl, the small girl goes inside. Small girl or the big girl? Who goes inside? Then what happens? She goes inside. For what did she go? Yeah, to get the money, to collect the money. To collect the money. And meanwhile, what happened? This man, so as she went inside, she had dropped one anklet without she knowing. Okay? Then this man picks it up, and he had already left the place. And balance now when we read you will know what happened. What happened and how did this man come back and what was the conversation between the mother and daughter and the daughter and the toy seller. We will read and we will know about it. Okay? So keep your page, your book number, the book, open your book, take page number 7. Page number 7. Lesson 1, Silver Anklets. Chanda was playing with her sister Muni. What is the name of the sister? who was playing with Muni? Chanda. Chanda was playing with Muni. Who are they? Chanda and Muni. They are both sisters. They are both sisters. Okay. When she heard a voice sing, toys, beautiful toys. It is not like this. How did he say this? Toys, beautiful toys. He was singing. How did he say? Once again. Yes, this way he was calling out. So he was calling out to show people that he was selling toys. She ran to the door and peeped. What do you mean by peeped? Like looking, not looking straight, it's just look from a side, and that kind of a looking is called peeped. You won't say look. Peeped means from a corner of your eye, or just a little bit only you can see. And she was peeping. She peeped out. What did she do? She peeped out. She just looked like that. Standing outside was a toy seller with a big basket on his head. So who was outside? When she peeped, what did she see? Yes, she saw a toy seller with what? Toys. Yes, big basket. He had a big basket full of toys. Then he looked at both girls, smiled and put his basket down. So he saw these two little girls. He saw them, he smiled at them, and what did he do? He put the basket down. He took the basket from the head and put it on the ground. Guess. What do you mean by guess? Just imagine. Guess means just imagine what I have in my basket. And now the toy seller is telling the little girls, asking them to just guess. Just try to guess. Try to guess means just try to imagine what is there in my basket. He said with a twinkle in his eyes. See the word used here, twinkle. This is what is this word known as? Describing word or adjective. It is known as the adjective. Yes. So he had a twinkle. That means a sparkling look he had in his eyes. A shining, sparkle, twinkle. All these are the synonyms for sparkle, twinkle. Then what is the word used here? Shine. All this. So he had a twinkle in his eyes. His eyes were shining. Show us quickly, said the girls in excitement. They were so excited. They wanted to see, very eager. They said, immediately show us what is in the basket. Now, the toy seller took out a doll. What did he take out? He took out a doll. What did he take out from the basket? He took out a doll from the basket. A pretty doll. Now, what is the adjective used here? Describing word here? Pretty. A pretty doll with the black eyes. How many adjectives are there in this sentence? Which are the two adjectives? Pretty and black. Yes, there are two adjectives. They took out a pretty doll with the black eyes. Both Chanda and Muni jumped in excitement. Seeing this doll, they were very excited. They were so enthusiastic. They were very eager to see this. Such a beautiful doll. What did they say now? Such a beautiful doll. I'll get money from my mother. Now, as soon as they seen the doll, they said they'll go and get money. I means only one person said, now I'll go and get money from my mother. Said Muni. Who said this? Who said this? I will go and get the money from my mother. Muni said this. Now, who said the following when you ask? You have to read the sentence to know who said it. So, Muni said that I will go and get the money from my mother. Said Muni, and as she ran into the house. As she was running, she said she will go get money from mother. In her excitement, in her that eagerness, what happened? She did not notice means she did not see one of her silver anklets had fallen down. She was only thinking of the doll and she was just running. As she was running, the anklet had just slipped out of her leg and it fell on the ground. Did she notice that? No. Did she notice that? No, she did not notice that. Then, and what happened? Let us see what happened. Fallen down. The toy seller saw the anklet and picked it up. Now see, is it a good deed? It is a good deed. Good deed means it is a good action. No, we should not be eager for other people's thing. Isn't it? You should be honest. You should be honest. So what did this man do now? He picked it up. Is this your sister's anklet? He asked. But he asked, is this a sister's anklet? Yes, it is, said Chanda, without looking at it. Her eyes were on the door. But when he picked it up, he asked Chanda, is this your sister's anklet? But did she look at the anklet? Did she look at the anklet? No, she did not look at the anklet. She was looking at the door to see if her sister was bringing money to buy the toy. So she said, yes, but she did not look at the anklet. Then, it must be expensive. He asked again. Chanda simply nodded. Nodded means to shake her head. So, again he made another statement. Other sentence he said was, what was the second sentence he said? It must be very expensive. What is the meaning of expensive? Expensive. Costly. That means you have to give a lot of money. Expensive means more money you have to pay for that. Costly. In another word you say costly. So again he asked this must be very expensive, and he was holding this anklet and he was showing. But she just nodded. She didn't look at his face. She didn't look at the anklet. She was only just nodding her head, means just shaking her head like that. My daughter would also love to have such pretty silver anklets, continued the toy seller. Chanda looked at him and asked, oh, you have a daughter? Yes, almost as old as you are. Doesn't she have anklets? No, we are poor. So then they were starting to have a conversation. What did the toy seller tell Chanda? What did he say? Said, daughter would like to have an anklet. Then what did Chanda asked him? Don't your daughter have anklets? Then he said, what did he say? He said no. Then what did the toy seller tell her? No, we are poor. So that's a conversation they had between Chanda and who? Chanda and toy seller. Now, don't worry. Now who is saying this don't worry? Don't worry means don't bother. I will ask my father to get anklets for your daughter. Now Chanda is telling the toy seller, I will ask my father to get what? Father to get? Yes, anklets. For whom? For whom? For the toy seller's daughter. I'll come back.